cooking. It's our first time cooking some armadillo eggs. We've never done this before, and since it's our first time, we're going to be doing it drunk. Look at that. Look at that bottle there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're a little toasted. It's okay, though. He's got this.
So people...
Yeah, he's toasted.
People like things in life. I like good things, so we're going to try and cook something good. So come on down, you son of a bitch. We're doing the armadillo eggs. Right here we got our jalapenos. We're going to core these and de-seed them. Bacon. We got some shredded pepper jack cheese. And we got some cream cheese that we softened up. So first, we're going to start off by de-seeding these goddamn jalapenos. Take a butter knife, stick it deep in there.
Real deep.
Move it about. Just move it on about.
Oh, look at that. He's got this down to an art. Look at that. It's just all coming out. Look at that. I don't know, Jordy. I think you should be a professional jalapeno cleaner.
I think so, too.
Package right
This
there.
is the cream cheese.
Yeah? What are you going to do with the cream cheese?
It's all softened up. We're going to add it here to the pepper jack cheese.
Oh, cheese. You're speaking my language.
Yeah, cheese on cheese. That's what I call
What?
cheesy. Anyway, we're going to season this stuff up. We're going to get all seasoned. Get it all tasting good. So when you put in them jalapenos, you're going to taste that seasoned barbecue sauce. Rub.
Rub. Yeah.
That barbecue sauce rub. That's what we're talking about right now.
I don't know.
Anyway, cover it up. Get it all seasoned. I don't know what kind of voice I'm going with. We're just gonna keep.
He really is from the South.
I'm from wherever you want me to be, baby.
Aren't you from like Tennessee or Alabama or like New Orleans?
Wherever you want.
Yeah, he's from there. Okay, look what he's doing. All right, check that out.
Now we're gonna mix this all together.
Yep.
Don't be afraid to get in there.
And no, he did not wash his hands.
I totally may have.
No, he didn't. I watched him. This is really terrible, guys. I'm not eating this. I'm just kidding.
Gonna mix it. Get it all mixy.
It looks pretty good. Yeah. Cream cheese, and we got some pepper jack in there, and then he added some really cool. Let's look at that seasoning that he's using, because you know, guys, I think it's not fair that you don't understand what we're actually using. So this is going to be our rub. So we're going to be using that in a multitude of things involving this recipe. The only other thing we're going to be using as far as a condiment is going to be the barbecue sauce. So we chose Stubbs. It's the legendary barbecue sauce. It's going to be the sweet heat. So considering we're doing jalapeno peppers, logic would dictate that we should probably use something spicy. Would you agree?
Totally.
All right, there we
So
go.
what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this in a Ziploc bag,
Which is gonna be right here.
A baggie.
Mhm.
You wanna not get us. What do they call it? Sentiment.
I think it's sentiment.
No, it's not sentiment.
Sentex.
No.
What are you trying to say?
I don't know.
I'm confused. As a Centex, I don't know. Anyway,
we're gonna put it in this baggie.
A baggie.
And then we're gonna throw that in the fridge for a little bit. So give us a second.
Well, you're not gonna put it in the bag in front of them.
No, I got shit all over.
All right, so guys.
Start.
Yeah, I did just for you.
Did you really?
Because if I do it starting just like that, they're gonna get to see the real Jordy.
Damn you.
What are you doing, Jordy?
I'm gonna snip this off.
You gonna snip it? How much did you snip off?
Just the tip.
Just the tip? Okay, so you
And we're gonna
snip.
stuff these jalapenos.
Oh boy.
So here we go. Oh yeah.
Oh god, let's get a close up of this.
Look at that.
Whoa. That is a professionally stuffed jalapeno, if I do say so myself.
I'm gonna stuff this one. Yeah, get in there. Get in there.
So, ladies and gentlemen,
I like it a lot.
He likes it a lot. Man, look at that, dude. This is like professional stuff right here.
Here we go.
We have all that extra.
Man, look at all this.
What's
then
up?
you can just eat it.
What are we gonna do with that white stuff?
I don't know. Just eat it.
All right, I'm gonna show them how it's done.
No.
Do it. Take a big bite.
No, I don't want
Do
to.
it. Do
I
it.
really don't want to.
Do it for the fans.
God damn it.
Do it, Jordy.
I'll take a little bite.
Take a little bite. Just take it all. Well, Jordy, is it jalapeno yumminess? Is it pepper jacky? Do you think do you think we're gonna get what we're looking for out of these with the pepper jack cheese mixed with the cream
It's
cheese?
actually really good, but put it on a bagel or something. I don't know.
So that you put it on a cracker.
Put it on a cracker or a bagel.
Is very, very, very good, considering what he's working with, which is also a pork product. This is a breakfast sausage. Stuff that makes a breakfast sausage taste like a breakfast sausage. So Jordy here is flattening out the breakfast sausage because the idea is that he wants to roll the said stuffed bell pepper with cheese, aka the bell pepper. I'm sorry, it's not even a bell pepper, it's a jalapeno pepper. It's a jalapeno pepper stuffed with white stuff. So he's gonna roll this said jalapeno pepper in this meat glue. We'll also be wrapping this in what we call meat salad. This also basically doubles as what we call bacon.
We're gonna cut this in fourths. Get a picture of that. Get a picture of the fourth cut. It's not evenly spread, but you know what? We're gonna leave that up to.
I'm starting to think we drank a little too much.
Maybe.
Just a little too much. Make it, I think.
I think we'll survive.
I'm gonna have to walk home drunk, but that's okay. I've done it many times. It's fine.
That's the secret. That's the secret. 2 pounds.
Look at him holding that wiener. I'm sorry, that phallus. Oh God, that cylinder of meat. Because Jordy is a master of holding cylindrical shaped objects, as we can tell.
And Chris is the master of fitting them in his mouth.
And Jordy, let's take a look here. He's making some really, really hard turtle shells over these things of jalapeno.
Yeah, these guys are, we'll just say, they might be the 4 brothers that Splinter may have trained. Hey, look at that. Some more black shit.
Wait, were
Let's
they?
get that off there.
Jordy
Look
is
at that.
packing that meat. Look at that. That right there is meat. Jordy, lick your hands. Jordy, lick your hands. Yeah, that's right. Oh, yeah. See, he's getting real dirty into this. So now we have 3 meat eggs. Now Jordy's working on the 4th meat egg.
So we're going to season these other ones.
Oh, you're going to eat the crappy one. Okay, that's cool. I'm down with that. Okay, so everyone remember this.
Take another shot because it's cool as heck.
Look at that. Look at that face. He doesn't need a cheeser. He's fine.
Nope. Anyway.
What are you doing, Jordy? Show us what you're doing. What is
We're going
that?
to take some of our cherry smoked wood chips.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put them in a little bit of water. Give them a smoky flavor.
Now, why are you doing that? Why are you putting them in water?
That way they don't cook too fast. We don't want them to light while we put them on the charcoal. We just want the smoke.
Brought to
And
you by Jordy.
we're going to put some dry ones on top of the wet ones.
Armadillo eggs, which are perfectly wrapped. Jordy, how's done, Jordy?
You don't want to burn off your arm hair. You don't want to be a negative Robin Williams.
I thought it was a negative Nancy.
No, a negative Robin Williams. That's where you got no arm hair, because Robin Williams had a lot of arm hair.
He did have a lot of arm hair. Do you guys remember Hook? Do you remember every time he looked at his watch, all those arm hairs that you saw?
It was like looking at a carpet sample.
It was really bad. It was like shag carpet. Shag carpet from the 1970s, bro. It was bad. All right, so he just threw some of them on there. As you can tell, they made a little hissing sound. Jordy's going to throw some more on there, and he's not going to burn his eyebrows. It's fine. He's good. He's got this. Yeah. He is kind of hot without eyebrows, but that's just between you and me.
That's all it takes.
Yeah.
Shave off your eyebrows, you become hot.
It's true, man. I mean,
listen to me. Hey, look at that smoke. Woo!
Look at Jared Leto. Jared Leto shaved his eyebrows, and he's doing great.
Worst Joker ever.
Worst Joker ever, man. Okay, so season. Watch him season.
Do a little seasoning. Season's greetings.
With his pliers or pinchy things.
Tongs.
And he's ready to go ahead and put those bastard eggs on the grill. And as we said, we're not putting them directly over the fire. That's stupid.
Alright, we've had them on the grill for about an hour and 45 minutes. There goes the train. Nobody can do without a train. Listen to that train. Train game. Gotta have that train game. Anyway, there goes that train game. Gotta have that train game. Alright, had them on the grill for about an hour and 45 minutes. Gonna baste them with some barbecue sauce and let them sit for another 15 minutes. Here we go. There they be. This is a little bit complicated because I have to do this all myself, like a bees a wow. Anyway, that's basty. Bastelonius. Bastonius. I'll let it go for another 15 minutes. So we've done it for 1 hour and 45 minutes. No, 15 minutes. Here they are. After 2 hours, smoked, cooked, cookedly dokely, that's a catchphrase. Anyway, we're gonna pull them off and see what's gonna happen. Things might happen, things might not happen. You don't know what's gonna happen. Anyway, here's to life. Here are the armadillo eggs. As you see, they are smoked. They are ready to be poked. Smoked and poked, sirs. Smoked and poked. Anyway, let's cut into one. And there it is. Smoked to novice section. Novice perfection. There you go. Like and subscribe. Everyone loves a novice recipe. So, I don't know, get on your surfboard and hang 10, dude. Okay.